Welcome to this instructional video on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 25. By following a step-by-step process, we will work towards reducing this expression to its simplest form. Let's get started. Step 1. To solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 25. First, we need to factor both the numerator and the denominator. Let's start with the numerator, which is x squared minus 25. This expression is a difference of squares. A difference of squares means you have two terms that are perfect squares separated by a minus sign. For example, x squared and 25 are perfect squares. To factor a difference of squares, you use the formula a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. In x squared minus 25, x squared is a squared because x squared equals x times x. 25 is b squared because 25 equals 5 times 5. So we can rewrite x squared minus 25 as x plus 5 times x minus 5. Now, let's factor the denominator, which is x squared minus 10x plus 25. This expression is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is a quadratic that can be written as something squared. We use the formula a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b times a minus b. In x squared minus 10x plus 25, x squared is a squared because x squared equals x times x. 10x is 2ab. And 25 is b squared because 25 equals 5 times 5. So we can rewrite x squared minus 10x plus 25 as x minus 5 times x minus 5. Now we have factored form of the rational expression. It is that the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals x plus 5 times x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 times x minus 5. This completes step 1. Step 2. To solving the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 25 is to simplify the expression. We need to identify and cancel common factors between the numerator and the denominator. We already have the factored form from step 1, which is x plus 5 times x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 times x minus 5. Let's look for common factors that we can cancel out. Notice that both the numerator and the denominator have a factor of x minus 5. To cancel out the common factor x minus 5, you simply remove it from both the numerator and the denominator. Once we cancel out x minus 5, we are left with x plus 5 divided by x minus 5. This is the simplified form of the rational expression. So, the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 10x plus 25 in its lowest terms is x plus 5 divided by x minus 5. This completes step 2 and is the final step.